Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Comprehensive Guide to Data Preprocessing in Python. Data preprocessing is a crucial step in any data analysis or machine learning project. It involves cleaning and transforming raw data into a format that is suitable for analysis or modeling. In this tutorial, we'll explore various techniques and libraries in Python for data preprocessing, along with code examples. First, let's import the necessary libraries. We'll start by loading a sample dataset. For this tutorial, let's use a CSV file named data.csv. Missing values are common in datasets and need to be handled appropriately. One common approach is to impute missing values with the mean, median, or mode of the respective feature. Categorical variables need to be converted into numerical format for machine learning algorithms. This can be done using one-hot encoding or label encoding. Feature scaling ensures that all features have the same scale, which is important for many machine learning algorithms. Sometimes, datasets contain redundant or irrelevant features, which can negatively impact model performance. Feature selection techniques help in selecting the most relevant features. Before proceeding with analysis or modeling, it's essential to split the dataset into training and testing sets. Data preprocessing is a fundamental step in any data science project. In this tutorial, we covered various techniques including handling missing values, encoding categorical data, scaling features, and selecting relevant features. By following these steps, you can ensure that your data is clean and suitable for analysis or modeling. This tutorial provides a basic overview of data preprocessing in Python. Depending on your specific dataset and requirements, you may need to explore additional techniques and libraries. ChatGPT.